Hello everyone.
Happy January 29th! Today we celebrate puzzles, corn chips, and the joy of snacks and brain games. Let's dive into 3 fun and thoughtful events. These moments are perfect for gifting, even if it's just to brighten someone's day. And if you missed out, don't worry, more exciting celebrations are coming soon. Stay tuned until the end of the video for all the details. It's National Puzzle Day, a celebration of problem-solving fun. A great gift could be a jigsaw puzzle, a crossword book, or a brain teaser set. What's your favorite puzzle? Let's piece together the comments. It's National Corn Chip Day, a crunchy snack favorite. A thoughtful gift could be a chip sampler, a salsa set, or a festive snack bowl. Do you love corn chips? Let's crunch the comments. Before our last event, enjoying these celebrations. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss more amazing content. And hey, share this video with friends, they'll thank you later. It's International Day of Human Solidarity, a reminder of unity and compassion. A sweet gift could be a donation to a solidarity cause, a kindness calendar, or a friendship bracelet kit. How do you show solidarity? Let's unite in the comments. Don't forget to check out the video description. You'll find links to matching gift products for these events. And be sure to watch our daily videos, including one covering upcoming celebrations for February 26th to 28th, so you'll get gift ideas early. Thanks for watching, everyone. More celebrations are coming tomorrow. Stay awesome.